Picture this: a dark, turbulent sky, the air heavy with tension. The wind picks up, whipping across the landscape, carrying with it an ominous rumble. Suddenly, a slender finger of swirling air descends from the heavens, reaching towards the earth with a terrifying intensity. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the awe-inspiring and destructive spectacle of a tornado. The birth of a tornado is a complex dance of elements, beginning with the formation of a thunderstorm. As warm, moist air rises, it meets cooler, drier air above, creating a powerful updraft. This rising air causes the lower pressure beneath the storm cloud, sucking in more warm air, fueling the storm further. Now, we introduce the wind shear, a difference in wind speed or direction over a relatively short distance in the atmosphere. When the wind at ground level is blowing in one direction, and the wind higher up is blowing in another, it creates a horizontal spinning effect in the lower atmosphere. As the updraft lifts this spinning air vertically, an area of rotation spanning 2 to 6 miles forms within the storm. This is the mesocyclone. The next stage is the birth of the tornado itself. Under the right conditions, the intense updraft causes the mesocyclone to tighten and intensify, creating a vortex. This vortex, hidden inside the storm, is the tornado in its most primitive form. The final touch comes when the rotating column of air touches the ground, becoming visible as it picks up dust and debris. The tornado is now fully formed, a mighty force of nature that can wreak havoc across large swathes of land. So, to summarize, the formation of a tornado involves several key steps: the creation of a thunderstorm, the introduction of wind shear, the formation of a mesocyclone, the tightening and intensification of this mesocyclone into a vortex, and finally, the descent of the vortex to the ground. It's a fascinating, yet terrifying process, a delicate balance of atmospheric conditions that can, under the right circumstances, give birth to one of the most powerful and destructive forces on our planet. Remember, while we can't control these natural phenomena, understanding them is the first step in staying safe.